Well, you'd better be quick, because my cannon is impatient.
Please, at least wait until sunset. Do you promise?
Okay.
Well then, set sail for adventure! Raise the anchor! Off we go! Unfurl the mainsail!
Anchor raised!
Mainsail unfurled! Set sail for adventure! You're right, Pineapple Wilson. This island is actually a volcano. Roberto! Did you find Schooner's map?
Yes, I did. Here it is. It was in one of my boxes.
Thank you. Okay, so the lyre should be right here.
Deep down in the crater?
Oh, my, oh, my, oh, my. Craters are dangerous places. It's dark in there.
If it's dark in the crater, you'll need light, Pirata. I'll light the way for you. Thank you, Splash. Bye-bye. See you soon. See you soon. I'll be back with Schooner's lair. Promise. Hold on tight, Pirata. Off we go. Fly as close to the crater as you can, Capitano. Okay? I'll jump onto the platform. Okay. Be careful. Good luck. Watch out, I'm coming! You okay, Pirata? Yeah, great! All right, now, help me down the crater slowly! Copy that! Let's see, where should Schooner's lair be? Look, Pirata, a treasure chest! Yes! I hope we'll find the lair inside! Ooh, it's so beautiful! We did it, Pirata! We did! Now let's help the seagulls back to their island.
Oh! Captain Claw, the time has come for action!
What's on your mind? You promised Pirata you'd wait until the sunset.
What? Do you really believe that this leer can lure the seagulls?
Babudo, watch out! Hey, wait!
That's it! These birds of ill omen will have a taste of my cannon!
No.